This set of three AMADA Home Furnishing 23.6-inch floating shelves provides a clean, modern way to add storage and display space in almost any room. The medium-density fiberboard construction feels solid and well-finished, with a smooth white surface that blends easily with a wide range of decor styles. Each shelf offers a generous depth and length for everyday items, so you can line up toiletries, spices, books, or decor pieces without everything feeling cramped. The concealed metal mounting hardware keeps the brackets hidden while holding the shelves firmly against the wall, giving a streamlined look that does not sag or wobble under normal use. Installation is straightforward because the package includes clearly matched hardware, so even a cautious do-it-yourself user can get all three shelves level and secure with a bit of patience. Once installed, the shelves help reduce countertop clutter and make frequently used items easy to reach, which is especially useful in compact bathrooms, kitchens, or entryways.